এটা চলকৰ ৰৈখিক সমীকৰণৰ জোৰ that is linear equation in two variables from exercise number 3.5 class 10. The question is for which value of k will the following pairs of linear equations have no solution. So অৰ্থাৎ k কি মানৰ বাবে তলৰ ৰৈখিক সমীকৰণবোৰৰ কোনো সমাধান নাই. So now equations are given here. সমীকৰণ কেতিয়া ইয়াত দিছে thys x plus y equal to 1 and next one is twice k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y. This equal to twice k plus 1. So this question used to came CBSE and SEBA in both marks given 3 marks. So be careful for your coming exam. Now I am going to solve this one. Right solution. Samadhan likhiba. The first equation is what? Thys x plus y is equal to 1. So this implies you can write like thys x plus y. Shift this one here. Minus 1 is equal to 0. You can take this one equation number 1 also. And next is what? And next is what? This is this one. Twice k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y. This equal to twice k plus 1. That is your equation. Now you just transfer this one into the linear pairs of equation. ৰৈখিক সমীকৰণলৈ ইয়াক পৰিৱৰ্তন কৰিব লাগিব. So now this will be what then? You write twice k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y. This shift this one. This will be minus twice k minus 1. This equal to 0. Okay. So now we know that this we have to compare like this. Think like that. Okay. a1x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay. And next one is what? a2x plus b2 y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. So now here it will be what then? You see here, that means in this equation, first equation and second equation, you see here a1 equal to what? a1 equal to, so this will come 3. b1 equal to what? So this will come y means what? 1 plus 1. And c1 equal to what? That is what? Minus 1. So you write there minus 1. And now from equation number 2, this one, so a2 equal to what? You find out this one from there. So this will be definitely this one, twice k minus 1. So twice k minus 1. Okay. That is a2. Okay. You can use bracket also, no problem. Bracket to ବ୍ୟବহাৰ কৰিব পৰা. And b2 equal to what? Say here k minus 1. K minus 1. Okay. And one more is there. That is what? c2. c2 equal to what? Minus twice k minus 1. Okay. Minus twice k minus 1. Okay. No problem. So this you can transfer this one to like this also. Here see c2 this equal to minus twice k minus 1. Take common minus from there, then this will be what? Twice k plus 1. Okay. This also you can transfer like this, twice k plus 1. Okay. No problem. Hope you will not face any problem. তোমালোকে এইগিটা যদি উলিয়াই লব পৰা তেতিয়া হলে তাত কোনো ধৰণৰ সমস্যা নহয়. মেইন বস্তু এইগিটা ইকুৱেচন গিটাৰ পৰা a1 a2 b1 b2 আৰু c1 c2 টো নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব পৰাটো আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ কথা. Now for no solution, the সমাধান নাথাকিব হলে কোনো ধৰণৰ যদি সমাধান নাথাকে তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব সেই সমীকৰণটো আমি জানিব লাগিব. So for no solution যত কোনো ধৰণৰ অসমীয়া লিখিব লাগিব কোনো ধৰণৰ সমাধান নাথাকিবৰ বাবে আমি কি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো সেই সমীকৰণটো কি আমাক লাগিব ফৰ্মুলাটো কি. So a1 by a2 this equal to b1 by b2 and this not equal to C1 by C2 যদি A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 হয় কিন্তু এই গিটাৰ সমান C1 by C2 নহয় তেতিয়াহলে ইয়াত কোনো ধৰণৰ সমাধান নাথাকে হলে বাৰু কোনো ধৰণৰ সমাধান নাথাকিব এটি এই বস্তুটো জনাটো আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ কথা এটি তোমালোকে এই ফৰ্মুলাটো সদায় মনত ৰাখিবা now put this value from there so now this implies you can write what is the value of A1 equal to 3 write down here 3 what is the value of A2 so definitely that is what twice k minus 1 so you write there twice k minus 1 okay then this equal to b1 means what 1 okay b2 means what k minus 1 okay k minus 1 and not equal to you write not equal to c1 by c2 c1 equal to what minus 1 okay you write there minus 1 and c2 equal to what this one minus twice k minus 1 so take it common from there also you can take like this also I said this one take common this one minus will come common then twice k plus 1 that means what after shifting this one it will get same value that means minus into plus this will be minus twice k minus into plus this will be minus 1 okay no problem at all so you will get this one up to here now this implies what this implies we can write like this 3 minus twice k minus 1 this equal to 1 by k minus 1 okay so you can use bracket also then this will what both side minus minus cancel then this not equal to 1 by twice k plus 1 okay so that is up to here তোমালোকে বুজি পাইছা নিশ্চয় you are understanding properly okay now see what you will do now এতিয়া অসমীয়া লিখিলে লিখিবা এতিয়া কি পাম আমি কি পাম চোৱাচোন কি পাম এটো চাও আমি এই দুটাক আমি কৰি চাও কি মান লাগিব আমাক কি মান লাগে হেতুহে লাগে অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰশ্ন দিছে k কি মানৰ বাবে তলৰ ৰৈখিক সমীকৰণৰ কোনো সমাধান নাই for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution so we have to find out this one a and b see this one a and b that means what a1 by a2 this equal to b1 by b2 so now we will write twice k minus 1 this equal to what is that k by that means 1 by k minus 1 okay now just do cross multiplication this one okay বৰ্জগুণন পদ্ধতি তোমালকে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা so this implies it will come what so 3 into this one 3 into k minus 1 okay this equal to 1 into twice k minus 1 okay so now just find out the value this one equal to what thrice k minus 3 this equal to twice k minus 1 so this implies bring this one here k value and k is there so bring this one left side then it will be minus it to minus ho jabo after splitting his value this side k or transposing its position you can see minus 1 plus 3 okay up to here you understood properly now this will come what then this implies you write so thrice k minus twice k this equal to what here plus here minus definitely that is plus k 1 k means k you can write k this equal to what minus 1 plus 3 definitely that is what plus 2 so k equal to 2 we have got k equal to so asking what for which value of k will be the following pairs of linear equation have no solution yes no solution অর্থাৎ k এর কি মানৰ বাবে what is the value of k to get no solution from this equation so now we have got k equal to 2 so you can write therefore k therefore for you write for k equal to 2 the given pair of linear equation, okay, equations will have no solution, okay. অৰ্থাৎ অসমীয়াত লিখিলে কি লিখিব লাগিব যেতিয়া k ৰ মান 2 হয় অৰ্থাৎ k = 2 হয় তেতিয়া হলে পদত্ব সমীকৰণজোৰ ৰৈখিক সমীকৰণজোৰ কোনো সমাধান নহয় বা পোৱা নাযায় আশা ৰাখিছো তোমালোকে এটো সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে কৰিব পাৰিবা এটো 3 marks I have, okay. So this question used to come 3 marks in your exam, both CBSE and SEBA. So be careful. Let me repeat again in your coming exam. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্নবোৰ পুনৰ ৰিপিট দিব পাৰে অৰ্থাৎ পুনৰ তোমালোকৰ পৰীক্ষাত আহিব পাৰে হেহে তোমালোকে এইখিনি ক্ষেত্ৰত যথেষ্ট গুৰুত্ব দিবা আৰু প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিবা okay. Hope you will practice again and again to score marks from this question.